Pepsi vending machine here at the Holiday Inn Express Flagstaff, and as you guys can tell, this machine ain't a normal machine. It actually takes, you guessed it, credit cards. So we're going to show how this wonderful machine dispenses products. So I want to get a Mountain Dew. So the way you do it is you're going to touch the screen, and it's going to ask for the item number, and I want item number 203. So I'm going to push on the keypad 203. Okay, and it's going to ask me, do I want to get any more items or do I want to check out? Okay, so I want to check out. Okay, so now it's going to say to pay. So I have cash, so I'm going to put the cash in the machine. Come on. Okay. There's one. It's going to see what I've inserted, so I put in 2. And now it's going to go get the thing. And that's it. Got my Mountain Dew. Pretty cool, huh?